So now you have very clear about SOQL, right, madam? As of now,
Mhm.
as we have done with two classes. So how to fetch the data? You understood the concepts, I believe.
Yes, sir.
So start doing the practice from today to till Sunday, next 2 days. Just practice it on SOQL. Then you'll be expertise on commands of SOQL. So now just we can do recap for SOQL and SOSL. So what is meant by SOQL?
Salesforce Object Coded Language, sir.
Okay, and SOSL?
Salesforce Language, Search Language. Sorry.
Oh, yes, okay. So there's a difference between these two query languages. And now I have one small interview questionnaire. So in case if I want to modify any record in the database, can I do it by
Mm-hmm.
SOQL?
Modified. Yes, sir.
Okay. So how can we do that? So as
You're
of now,
asking.
we have learned.
No, we can fetch the data from the database.
Yes, exactly. So 90% of the people they're saying that we can do it. We can do it by SOQL, but they don't know how to do it. Coming to the real-time scenarios, see this was the interview question in Bank of America. How to change any data in Salesforce using by query? See here, just have a word here. In Salesforce world, queries we can use for only fetching the data.
Okay.
And to modify any data, we'll go for DML statements. That is our future topic. Once we have done with query language, then we'll go with DML statements. So just remember, as you said two answers. One is we
No.
can do the changes, and again, second time you said we can only fetch the data. But thing is, there is a small option we can do it.
No. Okay.
But uh, in real-time scenarios, maximum we cannot use that one. But for your information, I'm saying, uh, see here, how to change any data in Salesforce using query. Straight away, whenever they're asking about Salesforce query, they'll go with SOQL, and they'll go with
Mm-hmm.
SOQL, and they'll tell that they can do it. But whenever they're asking one more question about SOQL, I mean to modify the data, then they'll realize that SOQL will not. So that means they understood first question is wrong. So then and there itself, their confidence will be losing. So here, just see, a confusing factor is only this one. We can use DML statement for only modification of the data. So like insert where p, insert where p, or update where p, delete where p, etc. etc. So that means we are modifying the data by using some DML statements. So where we have seen these keywords insert where p and etc etc.
When we are doing the when we are inserting the data and we are creating the data
Got it? Where we are using this?
function, maybe, yeah, yes, sir.
What is this? In
P
test
means
class we were
function
using it.
pointer.
In test class we were using it.
Mm-hmm.
Just now I have opened test class only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So while we are discussing about test class, there see here
Cursor back. Insert
we have
P in
created two
P1.
records.
Yeah.
We have created two records. Later we have inserted the records. Okay. So this one called as DML statements. Okay.
Oh,
Now
okay.
coming to the modification of the data. How can we do it? We can see. So in general, so by using this one, we can get the we can fetch the data from this object, right? So we can see how it works.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. So by using this select from keywords, we can get it fields names and which are the fields we are getting it from that particular object we'll be getting it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
here, if I want to do any changes, first thing what should we what should we need? Just remember once again, while we are discussing about test class, we said once employee has joined, what will be happen? Employee ID will be created. Same
Mm-hmm.
way, whenever record has been created, record ID will be getting it, right, from Salesforce side.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So by using ID, we can do some changes in database. Now, how we can see? So here, just go with ID, select ID, employee name, employee experience in years from this object. We can see either it will work or not. Yes, now we got it. These all are record IDs.
Recorded.
Okay. So now this particular employee experiences 12
Mm-hmm.
years. Now
Mm-hmm.
I want to make it as 15 years. So we can do it by DML statements if I want to update anything. But
Okay, in the class.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
but here by using SOQL, by using record ID, we can do the changes in SOQL itself. So for
Okay,
that,
where I am equal to.
just copy this record.
Mm-hmm.
Did you understand, madam, what I have done? Let me show it once again. I just duplicate this tab, and here
Mm-hmm.
I copied this ID.
Mm-hmm.
I copied this ID, and coming to this uh, tab till salesforce.com, whichever it is there,
The
from certain
you
just
recorded, you
delete
pasted it.
and paste it record ID. Then you'll be in open same
Mm-hmm.
record ID.
Recorded.
So here
Yes.
experience is showing 12,
Mm-hmm. You can edit and leave.
and now I'm editing here itself.
Okay.
Next, here
So,
save rows, just save,
save.
and now you can see this record. Just refresh. 15.
Oh, this is so simple.
But you can do it by using only record ID. Without record ID, you can't do it. Once again, we'll check this. Yes, now
It's already 15, right? So
see here.
cannot save no rows in the ID column. It's not included in the target list. Okay.
1 minute, I'll refresh once again. So whenever you are getting this kind of questionnaire, we can tell that in query we can do that by using ID. Without employee ID, sorry, without record ID, we can't do any changes. So in query grid, we can do that, all these things.
For the record, any record update or
Not
anything
only
like that.
record update, if you want to do any changes in record, if you fetching the data with ID, then only you can able to update any changes in the record.
Okay.
Okay, not only experience. If you want to take another field also, you can take it. So if you want to take another field, what we have to do? Same as usual. Here, instead of these fields, we can take another field and we can go with the same, like these keywords.
Okay.
Okay. So by using IDs, record ID, we can do this. By query grid, we can do it in developer console. This is the answer. In case if you get any interview question like this. Okay, now another module in Salesforce. Actually, it's a small topic only, but it is not. We can't say it is not that much
Not.
of important, but it will be useful in future maybe. So
Mhm.
as of now, we have checked. We have done with the SOQL queries like to fetching the all the records, to fetching the expense wise, etc., etc., and order wise, ascending order, limit wise, etc., etc. We have done, but by using while characters, we can take the starting of the record names. Like in case if you want to get the names which are starting with Ram or which are starting with some other names like Alex, Alo, something. If you go with like keyword, they'll throw the data, they'll give the entire data which are going to start with that particular words, I mean letters.
With three letters.
Yes.
Okay.
Not so after Ram, they maybe there are many letters in that particular word, but
Mm-hmm.
it will give us whichever it is starting with Ram.
Okay.
So that's what we said. When we want to search something which is not exact value, like RAM and technology SFDC, etc., and we only know that approx format of it. In this case, we can use the while characters, and we are not sure how many records are there, and we are not sure which one is the important to us, etc. In that case, we will go with all the records. We want to search not only this name, but all those records where first name starts with Ram. See, if you want to this name, as usually this name also will come.
Yes, sir.
So in case here, if there is another record like this, then we'll get these two records. So such range of multiple values we can find by while characters. Like that's what here we can see. All these things will be getting it if you go with like this. But for this, we can go with like keyword, like percentage keyword. So
Percentage.
yes. So here same as usual. We'll go with select and field name and experience from object. See the condition here. Where employee name like R. That means starts with R. Okay, we will see that. Okay, here already we have developer console, right? Here itself we'll try.
Record IDs. Okay.
Okay, tell me madam, what is the syntax for this?
Name.
Select.
Select.
Okay.
Name.
Name or employee name?
Employee name. Name means employee name.
So
Employee
for
name
this, we need to check with API names first. Okay. So fields I have selected. Next, what has to be done?
from
Yes, very good. From.
employee list.
Okay, what is that employee list?
It's a object.
Yes, object.
Name where like percentage employee name. Yes. Where
First, we need to give field name. Later, we need to
yes.
give like. Okay, so like,
Percentage.
no, just give
Oh,
colon here, and you can give any letters.
okay.
We'll go with yes letter, then give percentage,
And bracket.
comma. Got it? Now you got
Krishna.
all the names which are starts with S.
Mm-hmm.
And in case if you want to go with some other letter,
You can change the number.
see here. So with A we got only two letters. And not only this command, we can use this one in some other way. Result we got it same like this only, right? With R. See, same we got it. How we got it with RA? Same we got it RA, and R also we got. But here we haven't give with the RA. So in
Yeah,
case if
we
you
just
give
have.
RA, Rohan will not come.
Yeah, Raja. Yeah. Start. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So this is a like percentage keyword will work. And here we can have one more way. So not only starting of the words, we can go with middle of the words also. For example, now if you take these names Ramana,
And
Ramesh, Rajendra, Rajesh, like this. So here, okay. So in these cases, we have these many names, right? So in this 28 records, I just want to take whichever records names, employees names with middle of the names like AR or something. If you give like this, whichever names are coming, we are getting the same names. See here. We'll go with what is the condition here now?
where
Okay,
employee name
okay. Employee name
like
like
inverted commas, AR, percentage, bracket close,
okay. Instead of
explain.
AR, I'll give AM.
But how it
Yeah, I'll show
comes?
it to you. I'll show it to you. Select employee name, expense from employee list where employee name like. Okay, if you go with AR, okay, with AR, we don't have anything, but
Can we do RE? RE. I think one Suresh is there, RE in the middle of that. But how it is taken, how it can know these were starting or middle?
I'm not getting you, madam.
No, sir. We are giving the same command for the both of them, right? We are
Yes,
giving the first one as a SU. Then what is the difference between middle name or we are searching for the middle name? How can we know that?
yes. That's
We are
what we are doing it now. See, whenever we are using percentage, from there we'll get start. See now. I gave SU latter percentage I gave, right? Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm removing this and I'm starting with percentage and giving A M. Now it will come. That means percentage it will be this indicates like between
Start
these
and
two,
end.
yes, between these two only we need to get the words. So
Okay.
now we can do this. Yes. If you start with percentage, then only it will come. I haven't done earlier.
Yes.
Okay, so here in case instead of AM, can I give any words like US? Yes, Sushma and Sushil, we are getting it.
Then if we want from the last letter only, what we can do?
If you want,
Last letter. Last letter is A.
okay.
How can we do that? Just take out the percentage and A and percentage.
As of now, no names like that. Okay, A I'll give. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The end letter is A.
So percentage, whichever letters you need to get it, there you need to give percentage. If you want to get last word as percentage, you can give first. You can give percentage, then you can give that letter.
If we want the first letter, then we can give the letter, then percentage, right?
Yes. Okay. Here
Yeah.
there is one more option. Like same AR, we got it right. So instead of
Mm-hmm.
this, we can give A percentage. Okay. Okay. Percentage A, percentage J, percentage I give. So
Mm-hmm.
that means I need to get Raja or Rajendra, something we need to get it. So let me check. Yes.
What is the first letter? J, sir?
No, first letter I gave percentage. That means
No, no, no.
I want to
Second
know. Yeah,
letter. Letter. Which letter?
J I gave.
Oh, no, no. A and J, right?
Yes, that
Okay.
means middle of the name I want to know A and J. Middle of the names.
Okay.
So here AJ it's getting it. AJ here we are getting here AJ we got it, and here is you can see A and J we are getting it in this words.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe in Rajendra Raju you'll be getting AJ in starting of the word itself. But if you coming to Pranjali, you can see where is A and where is J.
Okay.
Okay, like this we can get it.
Okay.
And that so here percentage in the sense any number of characters from 0 to n, any number of characters it will be fetching the data from database. And in case if you use double underscore, only fixed number of characters, fixed number of characters in the sense how many underscores you are giving, those number of characters only it will give. So example,
Is there limit for the percentage, sir?
not getting
How
you.
many, now, how many percentage symbols we can use in one command?
That's your wish. In if you want to get a number of words, you can use it. How many numbers you want to get it? That numbers you can give percentage.
Okay.
So
One,
here,
two.
if you go with underscore, see like this. Instead of this, just go with R A, and I'm just giving double underscore here. We can
Mm-hmm.
see. So here with RA and there is another letter. If you give only one space, I gave here. So with
Mm-hmm.
RAN, RAJ, RAM like that, there is no record. So what I did is I gave two double underscores, and I executed, and I got these two records. That means here, if you go with double underscore,
Mm-hmm.
only fixed number of characters. So here you can see the example. If I go with 0 double underscore, then only this result will come. These results will not come.
If we go with J and one underscore, it will come everything of
No,
them.
it will not come. If you go with J and one underscore, with J and there is another letter should be there. In
I
case
didn't get it.
if it is like this any record, if you go with only J and double underscore, J and double underscore, then you'll be getting this will be the answer. Not this won't get it that time. In case if you give J and double underscore. But here I gave J and two double underscores here. See here. I just give two double underscores there. And then if that is the case, this won't come and this will come. Okay. So here for your information, we'll go with a few more examples. We have SD cards with yes, starting with yes, we have 5 to 6 cards, right? So I'll do one thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give six double underscores now. One, two, three, four, five, six. See here, only one record is there. If I go with five, yes. So double underscore in the sense it'll consider as one letter.
Okay.
Okay, this is not that much of important, but this is only for your information.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, and real-time scenarios rarely we can use this. And now these also your real-time scenarios. Just think there is a object contact
Mm-hmm.
and the field name is last name and phone number,
Mm-hmm.
and I need the record name is ends last name will be ready. So if it is this is the case, what could be the SOQL query?
SOQL query. Select
Okay,
uh, contact,
one minute. Select. Okay,
contact,
contact.
field name, last name.
I'm sorry.
No, 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 no,
It's a
no, no.
small
Select
confusion factor here. Just think once
from
again.
object is a contact. So condition is a last name and phone number. So select from contact.
Okay,
No, no, no. Select contact from. No, select last name,
okay,
last name, and can
and
use like that and also and phone number, phone from
okay,
contact where last name equals to ready. Yeah, immediately come.
expected
It will
in another mistake, but you have done one new mistake.
new mistake. Devda select from
I expected
where.
you'll do mistake in last name. I thought here you'll go with the like
Oh, okay,
keyword.
okay. Last name and phone name. The last name. The condition is last name is ready.
Yes.
So Name equals to ready. You're expecting that like comment, sir?
No, I expected you do the mistake by using like keyword,
Oh,
but you overcome that mistake. You have done another one. And
select.
keyword we will not use in fields. And keyword we can
Hmm.
use maximum in conditions only.
Where conditions. Yes, where
So
condition.
here we haven't used. See here, we have two fields,
Yes.
but we haven't used any and or keywords here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this one is correct. But I thought you'll take a like keyword here because it's ending with
Oh,
ready, right? But it is not
oh,
required here. They're asking only one contact, which is the name ending with ready. So that time you can go
ready.
with equal to ready. That is good.
Okay.
Okay. And now if this object is account and fields industry and rating, provides list of
Search
such
account.
account where industry is either banking or rating must be hot.
Oh, this rating must be hard. We use it for somewhere else also in the admin
Hmm.
classes.
Yes.
So
Now,
from
so as
select,
usual, select will be there.
select
1 minute. I'll give select from and where.
from
Okay. So here tell me.
select object industry.
Industry.
Select
Okay.
industry and rating.
Select these
Comma.
two fields.
Okay. From accounts.
Very good.
From accounts. Provide the list of where list
Where list.
list
Okay.
industry is either banking or holiday. So list
Okay.
uh, and what we can do? What are the two ones? Banking industry
Okay.
equals
See
to
here, you need not to go with a
in
list. Okay. So
what
how
there are
how you have
is
used this one? Here list of such account in the sense you need not to go for list collections. That
everything.
is different. List
Oh,
collections is
okay.
different. This is normal word how we can give list. List wise we can call, right. So that one. This is not a list of collections. This is not related to
Oh, okay.
collections. Okay. They're
Yeah.
asking banking and rating. Those names list normally will call, right. Can you show me the list like that? We'll ask, right, in normal language. Like that they're asking,
Okay.
not in list collections.
Okay. Where industry equals to banking
Yes.
or
Okay.
another mistake.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Where industry
Where here you can go
to
with open bracket. Where.
commas because we are using the or command. Industry equals to banking or
Yes.
or industry rating equal to hot. I think only hot or something. Hot.
That's it.
Brackets close.
That's it.
Okay.
And now this little bit difficult. Object is contact. Fields are last name, phone, first
So
name, and condition is last name must be ends with not
D.
Eddie, and Salesforce needs to be one character at starts. Else first name needs to starts with sh. So that means
Okay.
either this has to come or else this has to come.
Okay.
Got it? Same here, like this
Yeah.
only. Here
Okay.
or we
Or
can use, and instead of this. either this one or instead of this one.
Okay.
So now tell me.
Select last name. Okay. Select from where?
Okay,
Okay.
select
Last name,
these three.
comma, first name 3
Okay,
from contact.
contact. Okay,
Contact
now condition.
where they're asking for the first name.
Yes.
Start with SH. Okay. First name, where
Okay,
first
where
name,
first name.
first name, uh, first name, we can go with the
Yes, very good. Like,
like, um, SH, percentile, percentile, and brackets close, or brackets yes, or first name, last name,
last name.
yes, last name, like, percentile, REXEEDY, close and bracket close.
Done. Now we can see the answers. For first one, contact select phone last name and contact last name is Reddy. So what you gave, this is correct. And second one, select name industry rating from account industry banking or rating heart. You have done correct.
That
And
one is wrong.
third one, what madam?
No, no, no. I think I did any mistake in the
And third
third
one,
one.
select phone last name first name correct from contact correct. And condition where last name like, just see,
Last name.
just see here.
Hmm. Last
First name
name.
is right,
AD
first name is correct only. First name is like this one correct only. Or here you should not go with percentage
underscore.
underscore.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have cleared with SOQL queries,
Okay.
right? So this one, just have this one as assignment for advanced level. And
Mm-hmm.
today only we discussed about Visual Force pages, right? So this is for
Mm-hmm.
our future topic. But this is related to SOQL, so that is the reason I'm sharing this. See here,
Mm-hmm.
object account fields industry name website number of employees rating and condition get list of company data for your Visual Force page where the company must be from finance domain. Employee count must be
Okay.
more than 10,000 and rating must be hot. So
Okay.
this one scenario only I'm giving this, but once we have done with Visual Force page, then we can go with this one. But this is only for your information.
Okay.
We may get this kind of queries as well. So that is the reason I'm showing this. If this is not present, then at least give such regards where the company website needs to have domain name ending with .com and industry is
Okay.
finance. So that means here we are fetching the data from Visual Force pages.
Okay.
Visual, but for Visual Force page where we need for Visual Force pages also where we need to getting the data from our Salesforce database only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one is the future topic. Just have this assignment with you. But once we have done with this one, I mean Visual Force
So
page.
send me the question also, sir.
Yeah, yeah, this one I'll send
Okay.
it. This one I'll send. So what I was doing is actually once that topic is covered, everything is covered, then I'm sending mail because unnecessarily you'll be getting two different mails. So that is the reason I haven't shared. So
Otherwise, give me a second, sir. I will take a
so
screenshot.
no, no, I'll share it. No issues.
Okay.
And now there is another module called as group by. and plus having
Yeah.
concept. So
Okay.
generally group by in the sense we understood how we can make group one kind of list collections also we have seen collection also one kind
Mhm.
of group of collections we'll call it as. So
Mhm.
just have a example here. When we make a normal query we get individual records. Just now we have seen all these things, but
Mhm.
when we want to make group of those records by using any common data and then get results than
Okay.
individual
The last
records.
time I want to use that list or something like that,
Yes, yes.
right?
Last class we have asked, right?
Yes.
Experience will be 6 years. Candidates want to get limit to, but those things
Mhm.
for custom fields it won't work. I believe I tried with this
Oh,
one, but it was not working. But it is working
oh,
for standard fields. For example,
okay.
take any. Okay, see here leads we have, right? So
Mhm.
if we go with new here we can get it a few different things like campaigns, lead
Mhm.
source, company names.
Yes, sir.
So from one single lead source we may get n number of records. For example, here through web, through phone inquiry,
Phone.
through partner referral, purchase list, others, we have this many lead sources. In
Yes, sir.
this, we may get 5 records from web, we may get 1 record from phone inquiry, 0 records with others. Like that, we may get it. So that time, what we can do it if you go with normally like select a lead source from lead, what we get it will be getting all the records.
Mhm.
But here, what I want to know is I want to get only particular count from
So
lead source. So
particular comes
yes, that
from
time
lead
we'll
source.
go with group by option. See, generally, 1 minute here.
Hmm? Sure. Mhm. టికెట్ కా చూపిస్తా మ్మ్.
So here I have created one lead
మ్మ్.
and one more lead also I'll show it to you. And
All are goodies. Sir, do you know how to insert the stock in the SFCC?
how to insert the
How to
stock?
stock in that main page?
You are asking about website or in your
That
R?
is under construction already. We are. I'm working for that one, right?
Yes.
So some tester came and he asked me, yeah, can you add any some products into the US site? He asked me. So I said, I will do that, but I don't know how to do that.
But inserting, they're asking about one record or so I'm not getting. Can you show me once again? Okay, 1 minute. Once after completion of our work,
Yeah.
we'll check that one. Okay.
Sure, sure. Sir.
So now I have created two leads. One is from web and another one is in some other way. Okay. I create few more things.
Sorry, sir. Krishna Yadav. Yes. Complete yes. We would discuss overlap. Okay, industrial entertainment. Phone number. Lead status. Wow.
So now I have created a few leads.
Mm-hmm.
Three leads only I have created. These three I have
Mm-hmm.
created, and okay. So now if I go back to here, if I want to know how many leads are there from particular lead source,
Particular lead
lead
source.
source.
Okay.
So that time we'll go with a group by. For example, if I want to know all leads from lead source, what I have to do?
We can go with
See here, I want to know all lead source from this lead object. Now tell me what is the query we can write. See, if you go with
okay.
new, lead source is the field, lead
Mm-hmm.
is the object. So now tell me, I want to see all the leads
Okay.
by using web.
Select.
Yeah, tell me select
Select lead. Select. What are the fields? What is that field? Lead source or only lead?
lead source. So
Yeah, okay.
what
Select lead source. Apex.
lead source?
Same lead source.
Select lead from lead source.
Yes.
Sure.
No, sir. Select lead source
Select lead source.
from lead. That is the object, right?
Yes.
Lead where
Where?
lead source.
Okay.
What is the question? What we are
I
fetching?
asked how many lead source are, how many leads are there from lead source. Or else I want to see all the leads.
All leads. Where leads? Where can we use group by?
No, we will not for our query. We need not go for where. What I asked, I want to see all the lead source from lead. That's it. Select
So
lead
that
source.
means select lead source from lead.
That's enough.
Yeah, then we can all the answers. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Web and other and phone.
Okay.
Yes.
So here, if you see, there are a few null options, and through web we have three, and through phone inquiry we have two, purchase list we have two, partner referral we have two. So here, like that we have, right. So we are not, out of 31
Mm-hmm.
leads, we are not sure from web how many we got it, from purchase list how many we got it. Those things we are not getting it,
Mm-hmm.
right? So if this is the case, then we'll use by group by. Okay, so
Okay.
this is for your information. I'm just saving here. So what we can do here, we will get some data from lead source. Okay, so in
Mm-hmm.
case if you go with lead source, select lead source from lead, and here if you go with keyword group by we are making as a lead source. Then what will be happen? We here we will not get this 31 rows. We'll not get 31 rows. We'll be getting that 5 rows, and within that 5 lead sources, how many count we got it. That will shows it is. So I'm just click on execute. See here, all the
So
30,
what are the
yes, all the 31
it
leads we got only from these 6 lead sources.
six type of resources.
Yes. So that means here we'll get the data of lead source without duplicates.
What is that, sir? Last word?
No,
Without?
without duplicates, we'll get the
Okay.
data. That's it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Got it.
here, so if you go with this key, this query, we'll be getting data from lead
Mhm.
source. And here,
Yeah.
if you go with lead source, then we'll get the data. We'll get the some data of lead source without
Oops.
duplicates.
Without. Yes. OUT. Without duplicates.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
just now we already done with this. How group by will work? When we make a normal query, this one. When we make a normal
Same.
query, we get individual records. But when we want to make group of those records by using any common data, then get results than individual records. So like this, group by. So we haven't changed this query. We just extended this query by using group by. Then we'll get these methods. I mean, without duplicates, we can get lead sources. Okay. So this is how
Okay.
it will works. And here group by we have done. Having we haven't done it right. So we'll go with
Yes, sir.
having. Now you may get one doubt here. So while we are using this thing, select from where,
Mm-hmm.
instead of select from where, here we have done select from group by, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now what is meant by
Yes, sir.
having?
Select from having.
Oh no, now let me give you an example. See here, having will be like where only. See how we were using here where.
Oh,
So same like that,
okay.
we
Where we
can give having. So for example, here,
step up correct.
just come back this word, this query. Now you got it right, this line. So here what I'm
Yes,
doing
sir.
is this lead source group by, I'm just taking by giving having keyword like how we were using where. So here what I'm doing is we got only lead
Six
sources here.
or five.
Lead sources we got it,
Yes, so, sir.
but lead sources count I haven't get it. From web how many records how many leads are there, from phone inquiry how many leads are there, we haven't get it because
For
here,
the individual
yes,
ones.
no, here there is no condition to give the count. Got it?
Mhm.
We are just taking the lead
But you
source.
know that when we use the first one, then we got the all 31 counts also, right? We select start from the lead, select from the
Where we got the count?
select lead source from the lead, we got the 31 records,
Yes,
right?
here this count everywhere it shows. But what I'm asking is, see here for web one, phone inquiry one, web one like that it is not coming right.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, okay, sir. Got it.
1 minute. So what I'm saying is here in this page itself you can see 3 leads from web.
Mm-hmm.
If you get the list like this, you can tell from web we got 3 leads. But if you go with this rows only 6, it is showing only 6, but leads count it is not showing.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
From
so
the
that
website.
means here we don't have condition.
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever you are using group, with the group if you want to get the condition, then instead of where, we'll go with the keyword like having.
Mm-hmm.
Having means nothing but like where keyword.
Okay.
Okay. So here I want to get count of leads. So here when I'm going with count here, we'll not give count of lead, count of list like that. We should not give. We can give like IDs because whenever lead is created, lead ID also will come, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go with ID. So count ID. Just add this one. Okay. Okay. We'll go with like greater than or equal to 1.
No, otherwise, we can give the more than two, greater than two.
No, no. Count.
Do we need to write in the inverted commas?
No, we need not give. Yes, we are getting all the records. So here
Everything
everything will be having more than 2. So
more than two. Can we do four?
I'll go with less than 2. Nothing is there.
Nothing.
So
Leads up.
what we'll do is we'll go with our normal queries. Like we'll go with order, right? Will let me see with order.
Execute.
Order by with count ID we can see.
All six are there.
Hmm.
Go with four, sir. We'll see what
One
will
minute,
come.
1 minute. Instead of this, first thing here, why count is not coming means we are the study we are giving lead source from lead. But here, if you go with ID,
Count ID.
now we are getting we haven't give count here.
Yes.
So here we understood blank. I mean null value lead source we have 3. For web we have 9 leads. For phone inquiry we have 5. Partner referral we have 4. Purchase list we have 7. Others we have 3.
Oh, we gave the greater than or equal to two. The, okay.
Okay. So this one I'm just pasting this. And now as usual what we have doing. Okay. For your information, I'm just giving like this. You can understand, right? This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Okay.
got it.
So
After I forget, but now I've got it.
okay. So here, what is the next one? We can do it. We can go with now. We can go with order by.
Okay.
So order by. We'll go with count ID.
ID. Count ID. Execute.
See, otherwise it is coming.
3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one also I'm just copying this here. Order by we have done. Then what we are missing?
Having. We are
Having we
also having
haven't done. Okay. So
by.
descending we can see
Okay. Listening, it will come nine, seven,
from 9
five,
it is coming.
six.
So descending also we have done. So once we have done descending, what is the pending? Like limit.
Limit is there.
Limit
Limit
I can give two, only two will come.
last two. Yes.
Okay, here in case if you're not giving descending, if we give limit to, what will be happen?
First two. First two.
First two will come.
Yes, sir.
So these are all SOQL queries will work.
Got it.
Okay, I'll just copy this one and I'll send it to you. In case if you don't understand these three lines, just go with this.
Sure, sir.
Okay. And types of query language in Salesforce, SOQL done, and SOSL now we can see. So as name suggests, this is Salesforce Object Search Language. So SOSL means SOSL Object Search Language.
Such line. Yes. Okay.
This will do searching of some phrase or words for making easy for developers to find any records or any data. But normally SOQL what we can do it only in single object. But
Yes,
SOSL
sir.
it will works for all the objects. Entire
There is no.
entire arc, whichever objects we have in that, whatever we asked, it will search for us. See here example. One minute.
In one condition also, we can go for the two objects.
Not like that. For example, here we have seen one letter called as Ram, right? See here.
Yes. Yeah, first letter, first three
Yes,
letters
here
also.
this ready we have checked only from this object.
Yes, contact.
But in case if you want to go with, if you want to search for record
Student
name
name.
with ready, then not only in this particular object, it will search for all the
Oh,
objects.
okay. Oh, it is too tough.
Yeah, that is the reason I said just go with relationships how it will works and just go with SOQL everything. So
Okay.
take time Sunday and Monday and watch those videos.
Sure, sir.
So IBM. In what fields the SOSL search happens? SOSL will not support for all the fields. It can search something only in name, phone, email fields.
Okay.
An example, something present in number, pick list or currency, we cannot search. Okay, just remember this. Name, phone and email fields. And now,
Those three.
yes, just have a look on this SOSL. SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Search Language. We already knows this. It's more focused on various object levels. That means just now we discussed uh, if you give a ready word in that particular object, only in the particular object it will give the data page. It will get fetch the data and it will give to us. But coming to
Mm-hmm.
SOSL, it will search that particular word in all the objects.
Okay.
See here, whereas SOQL focus the single objects only.
Yes,
SOSL
sir.
statements returns the list of S object.
Oh,
That means list of S object in the sense it will give all the fields record, all the fields in one single record for that particular object. List S object means you understood S object concept, right?
yes, sir. Entire record.
Yes, indirect. That means one object, one list. Entire records in that object will get it in one list. Many objects
In the
means many list, list
in
of
the
list.
which we are using more, sir. So,
Yes,
SOS or SOSL.
yes, same thing. So SOSL statements returns that list of list of S objects. It will come. So in this, each list contains the search result for particular S object type. The result lists are always returned in the same order as they are as they were specified in the SOSL query. That means I'll explain this one again. If SOSL query does not return any records for specified subject type, the search result includes an empty list of for that particular object. These three I'll explain in some other way. Give me a minute. Now tell me what is the S object. So if you go with any account, if you want to take a subject, so which are the records you're getting, the all those records will be getting in a subject, right?
Yes, sir.
This is for SOQL. So coming to SOQL, we are working on only on single object.
The object.
Okay, coming to SOSL, it may working on account, contact, and opportunity.
Opportunity.
Okay, so in these three, it is searching for one record. So that time, for example, for this name record, it is searching. Just think like that. In account, we have four records,
Yes.
and contact we got two records. So in contact, it's zero. So in opportunity, it has four records. So that means this is one kind of a subject. This is
Yes.
one kind of a subject. This is one kind of a
Yes.
subject. So coming to SOSL,
It fetches
list of all
everything.
this concept will come. So this is also a subject. This is also a subject, and this is also a subject. So now a subject means list of accounts. So here
Yes.
we'll take it as the list of all these subjects. That is the reason it's showing list of list.
List of this. Okay.
Got it? So coming to
Yes, sir.
SOQL, this enter this thing, we can enter these records, we can call it as a list of subjects. But coming to SOSL, enter all these records from these three objects.
List of list.
Okay, you may get one doubt here. We don't have any records in contact, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that one here is showing. If SOSL query does not return any records in specified subject, so in this there is no records, but it shows the same like empty records, empty list for that particular subject. It shows like empty only. In case if you select this object, it shows empty. That's what it's showing. So just watch videos once again regarding SOQL, and we'll start with SOSL. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir.
So this is what query language is.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Tell me, madam.
ticket to iPhone.